First, take Ellipse tool. Draw a circle. Hold Alt, and drag the circle to make a copy. Then press Ctrl+D to make more copy. Select all. Right-click on the shape, then transform, and then rotate, and follow the settings. Select all, and rotate the shape. By selecting the shape, take Shape Builder tool, and follow the process.
Stranded in the open,